Hi guys, welcome back to Box. I am your host Asnan Abbas. In today's video we're gonna share some vlog experience of a place called Umbrella Waterfall, Sajikot. So guys, before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell icon next to the subscribe button to get the notifications of the upcoming video. Link in the descriptions below, and don't forget to follow us on social media as well. So guys, if you Google Umbrella Waterfall, it will tell you a location and pinpoint exactly where the Umbrella Waterfall is. It's located and situated in the district of Hazara near Sajikot. It's exactly 3 hours drive from Rawalpindi or 2.5 hours drive from Islamabad if you take the motorway. The Google will give you two directions towards Umbrella Waterfall, one leading from Highland Resort area and the other leading from motorway all the way through Havelian and Sajikot. Now me and my friend, we took the motorway route all the way through Hazara district, leading from Havelian to Sajikot. It was more convenient and the roads were clean. Since we were traveling in a sedan and Toyota Corolla specifically, it was more convenient to go from the motorway and to avoid the obstacles and the potholes along the way when you go via Highland Resort. Besides, you can enjoy the scenery as well as motorway drive along the way. Once you reach your destination and the pinpoint exact location on the Google of Umbrella Waterfall, you will come across a paid parking spot. It is safe to park your car there and walk or hike or trek all the way down to the Umbrella Waterfall. Bear in mind, those people who are overweight and have low blood sugar levels are to avoid this place and stay at home. Children and overaged people, including ladies, should avoid this place because the hiking and trekking is at an angle of 45 degrees, which is a big issue for those people who are not fit and are overweight. You also have to keep in mind that you have to conserve your energy because you have to hike back all the way to your car parking spot, which is almost an hour-long hike. Since you're hiking at a steep angle, expect some rock climbing and rope climbing as well, so your attire should be complementing your hiking. So you have to wear some hiking boots as well, and your gear should be less heavy to conserve your energy during hiking. Keep a water bottle and stay hydrated during hiking. For those who have low blood sugar levels, carry some sugary items as well as some biscuits and chocolates. Once you reach the waterfall and you experience it, all your exhaustion from climbing or hiking is lifted off immediately. You can relax in the nature and you can witness the waterfall. You can even swim. It's a running water. It is a very serene experience and the water is very clean. You can even drink it. There are some points where clean water is collected from, and the rocks are very slippery, so be careful. I would suggest to walk bare feet in the water because the stones are very slippery and you can easily fall off. The maximum depth of the water reaches at 6 feet, so don't expect more depth from the ponds, and you can easily walk in it and swim in it or sit in it. There are even shallow areas where you can walk through the water as well. There are no frogs in the water and there are very less insects in the area because it's a running water, so you can enjoy your experience. There are even spots for having some snacks such as pakoras, tea, and even green tea is available. I would suggest that you bring your own food and carry less items with you so you can enjoy some snacks and have fun, but can also hike your way back to the original car parking spot. So guys, this is it. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and share with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Until next time guys, this is your host Asnan Abbas signing out.